Hello and welcome to DaveTech. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the Tivimate application to your Android TV, TV box, Google TV, or any device that has an Android operating system. This method is going to work perfectly. This method will be using the download application. If you do not have the download application, check the link in the description below for a tutorial that will teach you how to download this application seamlessly. Here's the download application. When you have it on your Android TV, click on it to get in, go to home, and you'll be prompted to put in a code. The Tivimate application uses the code 549628. Put in the code, verify it, and hit go. This will redirect you to an online website. Be patient and wait for redirection to Fire website, where you hit the download button to get this application into your Android TV. Now that we are at the Fire website, click on the download button and you wait for a few seconds for the download to begin. File progress download is as shown on the screen, and if you are getting value from this tutorial, if you are learning something new and are solving a problem, support us. Hit that subscribe button to be part of the family. Like this video and share this model who needs it. At this point, you can install, and after installation, delete the package folder to save space on your Android TV. Click on done and the delete key. Now, the Tivimate application is successfully installed on your smart TV, and you can go ahead and enjoy.